It is Sella's birthday today. Everyone is dressed in red and green. The balloons are also red and green. Are there as many red balloons as green? Let's count and see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 red balloons. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 green balloons. So, there are as many red balloons as green. When the number of objects in one group is the same as the number of objects in another group, we say they are equal. We write this as 4 red balloons are equal to 4 green balloons. Time for some orange juice. Are there as many packs of juice as the children? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of juice. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. There are as many juice packs as the children. Thus, the number of juice packs is equal to the number of children. Sella has set a game to play with her friends. There are some marbles placed on the table and 4 groups of objects. Which group has the same number of objects as the marbles? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pencils. So the number of pencils is equal to the number of marbles. In the second round, which group has as many objects as marbles? That's correct. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teddies. So, the number of teddies is equal to the number of marbles. In the third round, which group has as many objects as the number of marbles? There are 1, 2, and 3 marbles, and 1, 2, 3 chocolates. So, the number of chocolates is equal to the number of marbles. That was fun.